Number 10, Zaminha Aviary. Nestled within a tropical forest, this aviary is a bird lover's dream. Wander along winding paths, encountering exotic species in their natural habitat. And don't miss the flamingo pond. It's a stunner. Number 9, Fundadores Park, cultural hub at the heart of Playa del Carmen. This park hosts art installations, live music, and the iconic Puerto Maya sculpture. Number 8, 3D Museum of Wonders. At this interactive museum with mind-bending 3D art that invites you to become part of the masterpiece.